Femina Miss India International Rochelle Maria Rao is all set to gear up at the international platform. और इस excitement को Rochelle ने Zoom के साथ share भी किया.
I was just telling a friend the other day, you know, when I came to Miss India, it was all a mystery to me. So it was a lot more fear, there was a lot more of nerves. But now, after being in one pageant 30 days, the last 2 months, I've just been waiting to leave because I realized that I love the pageant life. I love being with those other girls. I love being able to say, I'm Miss India and represent my country. So I think it's more excitement than nerves.
दरअसल रोशेल जा रही हैं जापान फॉर द मिस इंटरनेशनल पैजेंट और इस मीडिया इवेंट का हिस्सा बनने के लिए रोशेल जोरों शोरों से कर रही हैं तैयारियां। रोशेल ने हमें ये भी बताया कि उनके ऊपर है काफी बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू विन दिस टाइटल।
There is a huge responsibility, especially since, you know, Femina is going into the 50th year. And the only major international title that we haven't yet won is the Miss International title. So I think this year the pressure is really on me.
Rochelle, we do agree कि आप पर pressure तो है, but we are sure you are leaving no stone unturned to get the crown. तो आइए पूछते हैं खुद रोशेल से कि मिस इंडिया इंटरनेशनल पैजेंट जीतने से लेकर अब तक किन-किन लोगों ने उनकी मदद की है in grooming her.
Being from a small town, there's a lot that I did not know about the industry, about the media, just about dealing with people, relationships, body language, everything. So for me, that panel has been the greatest gift I could ever receive, honestly. I think to start off with, Sabira ma'am is probably someone who has taught me a lot. She's our diction and you know, voice coach trainer. Mark Robinson, of course, has been the driving force behind my training. He's someone who notices every detail. And he is very critical, but it's great to have someone like that who can tell you honestly to your face what you need to work on and really push you that extra mile and make you work extra hard, you know. Sameer Purohit, of course, has been one of those fun people. He'll call me every day and say, I hope you're coming to the gym. And apart from that, of course, Jamuna Pai and Sandesh Maikar, who've been working on our skin and on our teeth, they've been, you know, those are the kind of things which you can't do it on your own. You're completely dependent on those people to help you, and I think they've done a great job.
We are sure कि आपकी हर एक तैयारी up to the mark होगी. Rochelle also revealed to us what she will be wearing on the ramp और किसने किया है उनका outfit design.
Rakesh Agarwal has done my finale gown because I think that once you see it, you'll say, wow, because that's what I said. I'm like speechless when I look at my gown, and I'm sure it's a winner. For me, height has always been a little bit of an issue, so of course, Varishka's shoes are just what I need to make me get that little bit of confidence to be up there with 5'10", 11, 6-foot girls who are like from, you know, Europe and things like that. My evening gowns, Jay Mishra, of course, she's a very glamorous woman herself. When she walks into a room, all heads turn, and I think her clothes are like that.
Well, इतना ही नहीं, रोशेल ने ये भी बताया कि रितु कुमार उनका ट्रेडिशनल आउटफिट डिजाइन कर रही हैं।
Ritu Kumar ma'am is, like you said, she is a legend. Honestly, I hope that I carry her clothes in a way that makes her proud, because she's someone that really makes me feel like I need to, you know, step up and be a good ambassador to the country, and her clothes make you feel that way, you know, like you're representing something great and ancient.
तो इस तरह रोशेल ने इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म पर खिताब जीतने के लिए कड़ी मेहनत से तैयारी की है। हम तो यही चाहेंगे कि रोशेल की ये मेहनत उन्हें सफलता दे और आखिरी मुकाम पर जिता दे। फो कुणाल मांदेकर, ज़ूम, मुंबई।